Hey there everyone, second to last day on the mountains, and just look at all the snow that's just come down overnight. It might be a couple of inches overnight, so it's going to be a really brilliant day on the slopes today. I might try and get some footage of me going down the powder if I can. Depends on how much snow's up there, because yesterday I couldn't get much footage because it was just snowing so hard. So another brilliant day on the mountains. I shall see you up on the mountains very soon. Right then, just had a good breakfast, loads of coffee. I am absolutely knackered, but coffee's keeping me going at the moment. So just on my way to the coach now, get ready for a good day skiing. I'm just doing this little vlog here in Austria. Now, most of my vlogs, as you know, sometimes I'm walking around, sometimes it was somewhere in Exeter just to do my vlogs because that's the best time I can do it. So it's easy that way. So I thought it'd be a little different as I'm in Austria. I'm just walking back to the hotel and it's snowing. You can see the snow behind me. So just walking back, had a good day skiing, a little bit out of breath because I've been walking about a mile so far, so nearly back to the hotel. Anyway, so thought it'd be a little bit different. So I just want to discuss quickly about strength training. I've been saying about it during my trip away, and what I would like to do is say that you really can't out-train a bad diet. So don't think going to the gym all the time you're going to get that magical six-pack. Okay, so mainly to get that six-pack or to get fat loss, it's all to do with nutrition. And no matter how many times I tell people you can go to the gym 3-4 times, if you have a bad or your nutrition's not good, it won't make a difference. Now, with nutrition, you don't have to go into like a starvation diet like some of these diet programs that people send you or try and make you subscribe to. Please do not go to anything like these skinny coffees or anything like this that you can lose 8 pounds in 7 days. It's all bullshit. Okay, it's all influencers on Instagram trying to push a product, and they're probably getting paid, and most probably you won't get much results. So if you do lose weight, you probably will put it back on in a couple of days afterwards, or a couple of weeks afterwards. So what I tell people is, with nutrition, because I'm a PT, I don't give out nutrition plans. I've said before, it's not my area of expertise. If I was to ask, or someone asked me for a nutrition plan, I would get someone, a nutritionist or a dietitian, to see them properly, because all PTs are not nutritionists. They can give basic stuff, yeah, but shouldn't be giving out meal plans. That's my opinion anyway. I don't do that. So, but for weight loss, it all starts in the kitchen. All you have to do is think about finding out your TDEE, which is your total daily energy expenditure. Find out how much that is in calories. So let's say it's probably, I don't know, 2,500, so something like that. All you have to do is think about is just drop in 15% of that. So it's probably no more than about probably 200 calories. So if you can just drop that, so from 2,500 calories, if you were doing that, drop it down to maybe 2,200, that seems a bit drastic, that will be okay. So it will do the weight loss over a longer period of time. So you'll be able to sustain it longer. Also, so weight loss and fat loss is slightly different, but fat loss will decrease that over a period of time. So if you want to get rid of the fat, just gently, slowly, because if you do one of these starvation diets and you lose 10 pounds in a couple of weeks, your metabolism will crash, and it will actually go down to almost zero practically. But the thing is, when you go back to normal diet and exercise, your metabolism won't go back up in the same rate. It will take at least three or four times longer to get back where it used to be. This is where people will put weight on. So slowly will get the fat loss. You keep your metabolism going, and after a while, you've got to give it some time, you will lose the weight. And when you do lose that fat, say a stone or weight or whatever, you will keep it off. Think about it, and strength training to get that lean muscles will work over a period of time. So that's my little 2 cents worth while I'm walking back to the hotel here in Austria. Hope you can see it right. I'm probably a bit out of breath now because I've been walking about a mile, but it's all good because I'm warming down. So after a good few hours skiing, going on black runs and all that stuff, I now have a nice sort of walk back to the hotel, probably have a jacuzzi if it's open, and then settle down for an evening meal at the hotel. So that's a nice little video I've done here in Austria while it's snowing, and it's snowing pretty bad up the mountain as well. I'll try and get some more video of that, and I shall see you on another video coming soon. But in the meantime, please like and share, please do the thumbs up on YouTube, and I shall see you again very shortly.